Hello, this is Yubo. This is my demonstration about how this project has been done. So first one, according to the principle, or according to the uh, guideline, I need to demonstration how about this Python. So the web service here, basically we just do everything based on the web service or the object detection. So there's mostly the three areas need to be modified based on this work. The one is the returns. It's a dictionary here. It's a one return to the client. Is a dictionary rather than a printf. The second one is all the main functions in the bottom here. It's only a little bit. Just we need to retrieve the data from by JSON, and another one is the decode with the base 64 here. And other than that, is nothing much. Here is the dictionary returned. And the third one is we need to remove all the system ARGVs that helps us to identify where the problem is. There are also some debug information already edited out, like return working. This is not necessary from the previous. Okay, so the second one is about the doc file. So for the doc file, it was here. Yes, so this is the doc file. Here it comes the, oh no, sorry, here. Here's the doc file. It's from the Python 3.7, and it's all the basic code commands necessary to run the service, and the requirement, and the payload, numpy, OpenCV, and I got something extra put it here, like upgrade, and this one have to be installed with apt, and that I don't know how to do that without this command. It's just pop out error message without this one. I don't know why. So another one is the cluster cabinet. Okay, so this one is the cabinet cluster here. They use the why it's already been done here. So everything is here, cluster control plan and the worker with everything here. It's the container runtime here. And another one is the deployment document is here. First one is the cluster root cause with support, with ruler, with two roles. One is the control plan, the one is worker. So the second one is not this one, sorry. Yeah, here. The deployment, I rename it as pod because it's pod setup here. And I want to minimize the typo when I do all the stuff. So also there's a container here. There's something about the container. I just too lazy to bother to create a local, like host a service in the local. So I just push my Docker image from local by logging into the Docker Hub. It's actually much easier than another option. So I just push the things here and retrieve it by this command. And the CPU limited at 0.5. Another one is shows my, nature public IP is here. The public IP is this number, and shows a security group. This all the Chinese character, but I believe you can still understand. So basically, I just opened every port just for debug. Here is the any in, any out, and the port is all. So I just use all. But actually, I think this is not necessary because the only port I need is 5002. I will just change it out before submission, I believe. And another one is for the 3-port configuration. Yeah. So it's already ready. So this is all the configuration of the 3-port. And you can reach from all sides. Okay, I need to show why it can be reached. So this is basically how I debug everything. So if this method are not allowed, that means I can reach from outside. If also, here's another option here. I just run code, and here comes the result. Yeah, so it can be reached. And finally, show the log of a 2-port to demonstrate load balance is working as expected. And here is the code for description, the details of the port. Here is everything. It's mostly used for debug to see if this is running. I actually faced error before, like I could not get my image from online because of it's set it as a private. So I'm not bothering to get the right code to retrieve the image from the private. I just set it public. So actually you can retrieve it as well. So I think that's it. I'm out of time. Thank you for the listening, and goodbye.